prepare to step into the world of a true warrior, where discipline wasn't just a choice, but a way of life. Today's journey takes us back in time, unveiling the extraordinary philosophy and unparalleled discipline of a legendary figure. We'll unravel the mysteries of his remarkable life, his battle-hardened wisdom, and his enduring legacy. Keep watching, as the path we tread will lead you to newfound strength, resilience, and an unbreakable spirit. Lessons inspired by the legendary warrior we're about to uncover. Miyamoto Musashi, famed not only for his unmatched skills in battle, but also for his profound wisdom, straightforwardly advises us,
"Seek nothing outside of yourself."
His words, both simple and profound, tell us that we derive our true strength and potential from within ourselves. Musashi does not speak exclusively about martial arts, but offers us a universal message that we can apply in all situations by looking inward to find what we need. Let's apply this to today's context. Our modern world often pushes us towards a constant search for external approval. We crave likes on social media, we seek validation from friends about our work, and we hold our breath for a teacher's affirmation. Musashi's advice, while seemingly simple, prompts us to recognize that we don't need this external validation. His wisdom doesn't apply only to martial artists. It applies to each one of us, in every decision and interaction we make daily. So, instead of seeking reassurance or approval from the outside world, let's start affirming ourselves. Recognizing and celebrating our own value and achievements without external validation can lead us towards a more self-sufficient and genuine life journey. Musashi actively embraced acceptance. He did not simply yield passively, but, instead, acknowledged his reality with discipline, whether that reality was a peaceful moment of solitary reflection in a quiet forest or a perilous clash of swords upon the battlefield. His entire life, a journey interspersed with both safety and peril, mandated a robust mental strength that sprouted from an honest appraisal and understanding of the circumstances enveloping him. When we bring Musashi's ancient, yet timeless wisdom into our contemporary lives, we find valuable insights for managing our own trials. Imagine facing not a battlefield, but a broken-down car on a deserted road. Frustration might naturally well up, a sigh might escape our lips, yet what if we consciously choose to pull from Musashi's wisdom at that moment? What if we center our attention on finding a solution, like calling for assistance or looking up a repair guide, rather than getting tangled up in a web of frustration and plaintive "why me's"? His practical advice nudges us: perceive the situation clearly, accept it, and then pivot towards actionable steps that lead to solutions. Musashi, in the stillness that follows the clash of swords, sits with quiet resolve, firmly anchoring himself in the present moment. His path, while laden with conflict and decisive actions, never veers into the treacherous terrain of regret. He does not let past actions cloud his present, instead choosing to hold them with acceptance and moving forward with steadfastness. Now, let's bring this forward to our own paths. Imagine a word spoken in haste, sharp and hurting, or a missed chance that now seems golden in retrospect. How do we not let regret fester and spoil our future actions? By doing exactly what Musashi did, we look at our mistakes squarely, apologize where needed, fix what we can, and then we learn and move on. The importance of maintaining a mental space free from the chains of regret cannot be overstated, for it paves the way for a journey forward that is undeterred and focused. It allows us to navigate through life with clarity and purpose, ensuring that every step taken is rooted in conscious choice and not hindered by the shadows of the past. Watch Musashi as he maintains his calm, regardless of whether he's amidst serene temples or the chaos of fierce battlefields. He accomplishes this by deeply understanding a crucial concept. Real balance comes from within, not from the ever-changing scenes around him. His mastery over his own mind, honed through rigorous samurai discipline, allows him to shape his contentment internally, free from external influence. Now, let's apply this principle to our modern lives. We notice that the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment doesn't require changing our surroundings or escaping routine environments. Whether we're engulfed in the energetic buzz of a bustling city or enjoying the tranquility of the countryside, the source of true contentment resides within us. By actively choosing to find joy in our daily activities, by practicing mindfulness and nurturing a sense of gratitude. For the simple things, we, much like Musashi, can nurture a state of inner peace that remains unwavering despite external challenges. Thus, our journey towards genuine happiness becomes an internal exploration. One where we discover how to find happiness and fulfillment within ourselves, amidst the everyday, rooted not in our physical location, but in how we perceive and engage with the world around us. Musashi, famous warrior and skilled artist, teaches us an important lesson about the depth of mastery and learning. He delved deeply into martial arts, yet also embraced arts and philosophy. His focus on mastering the sword not only shaped his warrior skills, but also enhanced his ability in other areas, offering him a rich tapestry of knowledge and skills across different disciplines. In our modern world, Musashi's approach to learning is not just relevant, but vital. Diving deep into one skill, like mastering a musical note, equips us with the discipline that can be applied to grasp another, such as coding. But here's the trick: we often get lured by the shiny object syndrome, constantly chasing the next big thing and diverting our focus from what we are currently learning to something new and seemingly more exciting. This can scatter our efforts and dilute our mastery over any skill. It's essential to remain steadfast, to imbibe the patience and precision from one learning experience and apply it to the next without being detracted by every new opportunity that shines our way. Just like Musashi, by adhering strictly to our learning path and avoiding the allure of every shiny new object, we can traverse the vast landscapes of knowledge and skill, unlocking new realms of possibilities without losing depth in mastery. This is how we build a diverse, yet deeply rooted tree of skills and understanding in our life's journey. Saying goodbye is hard for all of us. Musashi teaches us a special way to handle it. Feel your feelings, but don't let them control your actions. He felt sadness, but didn't let it stop him from moving forward on his own path. This emotional strength helps him, and can help us, stay steady during the tough goodbyes and changes in life. For us today, this means finding joy in moments with our friends and family, and also finding happiness on our own. It's enjoying things, people, and moments, but also being okay when they're gone or changed. Emotional strength comes not from avoiding connections, but from enjoying them fully, while also being able to be happy and content when they're not there. It's loving without clinging, enjoying without depending, and being able to say goodbye while still looking forward to what's next. Musashi watches other warriors with keen eyes, seeing their skills and strengths. But instead of feeling jealous, he keeps working on his own abilities. He believes in improving himself, learning from others without wishing to be them. His lesson here: don't get stuck in jealousy. See what others do well, learn from it, and keep improving yourself. Let's bring this to our world. Seeing a colleague get promoted might spark a bit of jealousy. But what if, like Musashi, we turn that feeling into positive action? Instead of lingering on what others have, we could use it as motivation to grow ourselves. Congratulate them sincerely, and then ask ourselves, what can I learn? How can I grow? Using feelings of jealousy as a prompt to better ourselves can turn a negative into a powerful positive. Musashi teaches us the core lesson of finding strong, inner peace that doesn't depend on what we have or what others think. Life will throw good and bad our way, but by staying steady and not getting stuck on people or moments, we can keep moving forward with quiet power and joy. It's about living fully, in the good times and the bad, finding strength in calm and storm alike, and keeping our peace through it all.